Come on. Alright. There we go. Man, look at that. Look at that car. Oh my gosh. Look at this orange one. I love orange. Team Orange. Team Orange, man. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you want to be on Team Orange or on Team Blue. I mean, I love Team Blue because I'm a blue guy myself. I like the color blue. And these are trucks of Hot Wheels right now. And I can unbox these two. Gonna unbox this. Alright. Man, look at that beauty. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this classic. Look at this. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm gonna open the other one. Alright, finna scan this barcode. I'm finna do that later on. Okay. Man, look at this, man. Dude, oh my god, this is cool. This is like a hot rod taxi car, man. Look at look at the rims, look at the texture. Look at this color, man. And check this out. Check this out. They have the A-Team version of this car. The actual A-Team version of this car. You guys recognize the A-Team show, right? And I was playing Smash Bandits that had the A-Team DLC car on this. It was amazing, man. It was freaking amazing. Alright, let me just dude, look at this van. It looks exactly like the one in the old show. Wow, look at this. Okay, and in this one, dude, check out this classic though. Wow, look at the logo paint on this. Dude, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. See, all right, guys. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, that's amazing. That's totally amazing. All right. That's a Jaguar F-Type coupe right there on Matchbox. Oh my gosh. Dude. Okay. Okay guys, that's the end of the unboxing video. Anyway, happy New Year's. Happy 2020. Thank you for 2 million subscribers, guys. I am so supportive of you guys for this, and thank you. Oh my gosh, this is the greatest day of my life, and make sure to have a happy New Year's. God bless you, and thank you for all of this. Rock on, Hot Wheels fans, and also remember, it's not the same without the flame. And for all of us, Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year, folks. Thank you. I love you guys so much. My name's Dwayne Evans, Star Fox 20, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to leave a comment down below to see if you're on Team Blue or on Team Orange. Thank you. See you later. Bye.